Openbay Otis. Every day people search for automotive services near where they happen to be. According to analytics captured by Openbay, nearly 60% of searches for automotive service is from a mobile device. This percentage may be higher when you consider the millennial and the Gen Z demographic. Depending on the person's need, their search may start with auto repair near me. A list of businesses nearby appear. Data suggests businesses near the top of the list and within a 5-mile radius of the person's location is typically selected. This is where online chat platforms can help convert a visitor to a customer by delivering the information they are seeking quickly and accurately. The chat icon is one of the first items to appear on the mobile device and is user-friendly, meaning most mobile users are accustomed to using texting and messaging platforms, which is what chat is. Let's go through a few examples. Here we're showing Otis installed on an automotive service provider's website. Otis is menu-driven, or you can freeform type in the box provided below. For this example, we have a check engine light on, and we need that type of service. So Otis will always ask or validate the service you're entering. It allows you to do this by selecting from a catalog of services. Otis will always let you know if the shop you're working with can perform that type of service. And also, it's going to ask you for your year, make, and model. We want to make sure that the year, make, and model of your vehicle is supported or serviced by this service provider. In this case, it is. Otis will always end every conversation by asking for an appointment, and will capture the contact information that's provided. First name, last name, email address, and phone number. It will also ask your preferred method of contact: email, phone call, and text. Let's say I needed an oil change too, and I just wanted to know the price of an oil change. So I'm going to ask Otis for that price, and Otis can instantly deliver that pricing information. I may need some tires too, so let's check pricing for tires. Otis already knows the year, make, and model of my vehicle because I've previously entered that information into Otis. Otis displays the size of the tire, and then it also displays a list of tires that match your vehicle. It shows the brand, the pricing information, and availability of each tire. Additional services can be added to the tire price quote, whether it's an oil change, a wheel alignment, TPMS reset. Any service that the shop offers can be added to this menu and included in the final price for tires. Openbay Otis is an ideal platform for automotive service businesses, especially when your website visitor is using a mobile device. Visit openbay.com/solutions to learn more about Openbay Otis.